Hello and welcome back to Tricky Track Spoken English. My name is Manav. Today's topic is English conversation at the cafe. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Sandeep.
Hi, my name is Sandhya.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm fine too. What do you do?
I'm a bank manager. And you?
I'm an accountant.
Where do you work?
I work at State Bank of India in Punjabi Bagh. And you?
I work at Mehra Associates in Noida.
How do you go to bank?
I go to bank by car. And you?
I take the metro. What time do you go to bank?
I go to bank around 10 a.m. And you?
I go to company at 9 a.m. What time do you come back?
I usually come back around 7 in the evening, but sometimes I get delayed.
What's your salary?
I get a handsome salary. And yours?
I also get a handsome salary. Are you married?
No, I'm single. And you?
I'm single too. How old are you?
That is personal.
You look stunning in this dress.
Thank you so much.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family. And you?
I live alone. I need a business loan. Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
That's great.
We'll take care of it.
Would you like dessert?
Certainly.
What about peanut cookies?
I am not a fan of them.
What about chocolate cake?
I love it so much.
I would like to order a chocolate cake, please. Medium-sized or large-sized? Medium-sized, please. Anything else? Anything else?
No.
2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, please. Let's have cake.
Yes, of course.
How was the cake?
It was delicious.
How was the ice cream?
It was sweet and cold.
Sorry, I have to go now. I have an urgent meeting.
Thanks for the nice conversation.
You too, Sandhya. See you next time.
Take care. Bye.
Now it is your turn. Are you ready to answer these questions for me? What do you do? Where do you work? What do you do? Where do you work? How do you go to office? What time do you go to office? How do you go to office? What time do you go to office? Do you live with your family? Would you like dessert? Do you live with your family? Would you like dessert? Are you married? How old are you? How was the pizza? Are you married? How old are you? How was the pizza? Welcome! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.